Hello and welcome to the Business Mindset Talks. I'm your host Abuzar Ansari. Here at Business Mindset Talks, we explore new businesses and try to find entrepreneurs, new age entrepreneurs. Today I'm excited because we have not only one but two very wonderful guests. Our first guest is very interesting, very charming Mr. Muhammad Shoaib. Along with him, we have Miss Sadia Rashid. They are the founders of WebWise Studio, a company based in Kanpur. Last year, they started their company and they made around 50 lakh rupees with their businesses. So we will have a wonderful talk with them. So welcome Shoaib, welcome Sadia.
Thank you.
How are you feeling here?
Feeling good and very energetic to answer all the questions.
So first thing first, when we were researching about you and your company, we found out that you started your company when you were 19, both of you. And starting a company at the age of 19 is quite a bold move. Most of the students, most of the people who are age of 19, they are busy only in their university and all of these things. They don't have any idea that they have to start their businesses. So what motivated you to do that?
Okay, so first thing, as you said, at the age of 19, students busy in universities and doing busy studying. But when I was 19, I was thinking, I was seeing that many business owners are getting failed. They are using strategies, they are doing marketing very good, but still they are failing. As a girl, I always wanted to be independent. I don't want to depend on father and husband, as you know, feminism. So I decided to, start a business. I'm a very creative student, and I have a huge interest in digital marketing. I'm a digital marketing strategist too. So I have decided to, do a startup. Along with that, I wanted to have the small business owners too. Doing my business, getting my business on the top. With that, I'm also helping other business owners. This is my dream, and it was, a burden on me. Like with the studies, I have to manage all.
And for
Yes.
me, when Sadia shared her vision about creating
Yes.
a studio something, I like when I was a child, I already had an interest of developing a website or something like that. So when she shared her vision, I feel that potential on her work. So that's why we grab the opportunity at the same time. And yeah, I think we have to be independent with an early age.
You are friends and working together would have been fun. It must be fun. But I want to know that anything you dislike about each other while working.
Many things.
Okay, so I have to start first because so as I know, Sadia is very being perfectionist is a good thing, but sometimes I feel it's a curse for her because whenever I get the idea of something, she was she find a mistake on that idea, so I was very frustrated and I just said to her Sadia, please get a life. So it was for me. I think that is weirdest thing in her, so I dislike about. But 99% of time she was correct, so that's why I respect her. So yeah.
Okay.
Okay, for me, the biggest, I dislike the thing Shoaib, he was always in hurry. He never wanted
Like he has to do things in a day only.
in
Not
a
like
day only,
that.
I wanted to do a multitasking.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I am doing this, along with that I have to do this, I have to do this. Why? It cures and that it stressed out me. First finish the work, finish the period, then start the next work. No, why are you doing I will manage the website. Along with that I will do the SEO, and then why? That thing made me
Like you have to finish your task first and then move to next
Yeah,
one.
but he's not like that. He has to, done all the things at time. I wanted to
there's
go
a different
party,
person, yeah,
I have to
so
manage.
I have
and
different thoughts.
While working at Webwise Studio, you are collaborating with different clients and working with many people.
Yeah.
So I want to know that what is the most ridiculous request a client has asked you?
Oh my god, this is so.
Just don't ask this question.
Yeah.
It's
So
okay.
once upon a time, we were just working, and I get a call of my client, and he was demanding a website. He said to me please build a website. Felt like a hug. So we were what the heck? What he's talking?
What is he talking about? Eh?
Yeah.
Like how?
We are
And we and Sari are staring at each other, and
we are not magician.
Yeah.
Do something
But
done.
with the grace of God, with the grace of our thoughts, Sadia built friendly user interface, and I suggested templates of that website. So when we give him like our websites, he says to me like you doesn't like it doesn't feel like home, it doesn't feel like her, but it feels like a home. So we were like
Okay.
very lucky to like grab
It
this.
worked out. Your idea basically.
Yeah,
worked out.
basically it's just like weird. Sometimes weird things makes us unique. So I think yeah.
Yeah. And for me, the weirder thing, like when we do SEO,
Mm.
people demand for I want result instantly.
It is
Like-
not possible, no? In a one day.
Yeah.
Yes, like what I said, ki sir, great things takes time.
Okay.
And like that, okay, ma'am, just I want to rank my website on the top 5, top 10, as every business owners want. I'm like, no, sir, that's not possible. SEO
Yes.
has a discipline, and it needs more dedication. First, we have to work on 3 months or 6 months. It's a procedure for a long time. No, I just want, and along with that, he said, please manage my social media handles too. Like, why? We have a SEO team sometimes, and at that moment, the SEO executive was not able to attend the office.
Yes.
He was ill. I have to manage all the submissions and SEO and SEO. Like, then I have to do that. The client is the king.
Okay.
I have to do.
And thank God we have like a calm nature or something. That's why we have
So
to-
one thing to remember from this discussion: great things takes time.
Yes.
You are too young, like you are 20 or 21 now.
Yes.
I want to know that what is the most unprofessional thing you have done in your studio?
Oh my God, this is so embarrassing.
Start with you, please.
Okay, so once upon a time I was like working, and it's not intentionally because I was just like texting my friends or something, and there was a client named Ashish, I think, and I accidentally sent him a GIF with a puppies wearing sunglasses, and it says grab the opportunity. So
Okay.
I was like I was very hurry up, and so with the thank God, fortunately, the client have humor, so that's why it's just like he just sent me a laughing emoji.
Okay.
But in my head, I was like,
What I did.
what I did, yeah. So just like sitting on the desk or some sitting under the desk. Yes.
I remember there was a meeting with my clients. There was screen running behind me, and my WhatsApp was connected with it.
Okay.
And I forget to add extension, WhatsApp privacy extension, as you all know. When we on the WhatsApp privacy extension, all the chats got
Yeah, I
blurred and
remember that, yeah.
yeah, so when I was just, convey the meeting and doing the things, I opened the WhatsApp to download the PDF or PPT, I don't remember. All the chats pops up. There's a what? And there
All the personal chats.
Yeah,
Yeah.
And in friends we save me like baby or like darling and like that. There is a chat like baby, and the message come like, where are you, baby? I'm like, I have to greet, I have to hide this. I'm like, oh, sorry, it was very embarrassing. I'm like, I have to explain. No? I explain. I give a long explanation. Like, my friend, we are childhood friends. We were from.
And I have a story
fifth
too.
class.
Once upon a time, she was like eating noodles, and
Yes.
and the clients came over the office, and she was like eating noodles like a beast or something, and it was so embarrassing for me also. I don't know about
It
her.
happened with me
Now
many
I think-
times.
Many times, yeah.
Now I think that I'm feeling second-hand embarrassment.
Yeah.
While listening to you.
Oh my god. No, it happened many times when I was
Yeah.
taking online meetings.
You don't
I
have like, such
forget to-
times to like eat something. No?
Yeah,
That's
I
why you
forget
have
to
eat
turn off the
in
camera. I
office,
was
yeah.
like eating the noodles and the beast.
Yeah.
The videos running, meeting is going on.
You don't have
eating
such
everything.
times.
Like we make mistakes.
Yeah.
We are human beings.
But we manage the things, right?
Imagine
Yeah.
I'm an skeptical client.
Mhm.
So you have to pitch your services to me. Then how would you do it?
So in WebWise Studio, we don't just work for you, we work with you. We are like just like our over enthusiastic friend who motivate us. That is the same thing. It happened WebWise Studio. We motivate you to do how to grow a business. We build your website with user-friendly interfaces, and we manage everything about SEO, SMM, and SMO to manage your online
Many
business.
clients comes to us like, ma'am, I was failing many times. I'm not getting enough profit, and I was like, okay, it's okay, sir. It's a life. if there, we have to face many up and downs, then don't be bothered, and we are here to help. You came to us. We are here. We will make a website, user-friendly website. We will rank your business
Website
on
with the
top.
help of SEO. Yeah.
So it was great time talking to you. I really enjoyed.
Such a
Hopefully,
time, yeah. Nice to meet you.
hopefully our audience have enjoyed too. So this is the time. Thank you for all listening to this podcast, and hope you will find inspiration just like them to start your own business at 19. Okay, fine.